Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DB Techling. Today we are going to see how to connect with Oracle database instance and we will see using these three tools how to connect with the Oracle database, right? So first we will use SQL Plus, then we'll see Oracle client and then SQL Developer, right? So in this video I will show you how to connect with these tools. So in upcoming video, I will show you how to install and configure Oracle client and SQL Developer. But in this video, we are going to see how to connect with Oracle instance. So first, we will see how to use SQL Plus to connect with the Oracle database, right? So SQL Plus is a command line interface to interact with the Oracle, and you can perform all DB related activity from here, right? So it's a Oracle provided tool, and when we install the Oracle binary on DB server, it get installed automatically. So no need to install SQL Plus separately on DB server, right? So to run the SQL Plus, let's see. To run the SQL Plus, we run SQL Plus on OS prompt, right? And before running the SQL Plus, make sure that your database is running. Yes, my ORCL database is running. Next, uh, see your environment variable, Oracle related. So we have already set Oracle home, but Oracle SID we need to set, right? So dot .orinv dot space .orinv and give Oracle SID ORCL, right? And again, check environment variable. Now we will see Oracle SID is ORCL, right? So we can now connect with the ORCL database using SQL Plus. So run SQL Plus username and password, right? So you will get connected. This is the uh, HR user, right? Now as a DBA, when we work as a DBA, so most of time we connect like SQL Plus slash a sysdba, right? And this is sys user. So from sys user, you can work any DBA related activity, right? So this way you can connect with SQL Plus from normal user, and as a sysdba you can log in. Now we'll see how to connect with Oracle client, right? So for that, I have window machine and where I have already installed Oracle client, right? And it's running. So let's see how to connect with database server. Now, so on command prompt, I will run SQL Plus, right? Here on this machine, we don't have any database. I have just installed Oracle client and just test by running SQL Plus. Yeah, it's running. So I have installed Oracle 19C client software. Just cancel this CLS. Now run again. So how we can connect with database user? So SQL Plus give username password, right? Username slash password at the rate host name, or you can give IP 192.168.1.201. Yes, 201. Now colon port number. This is listener port number 1521. This is default port number, and then slash ORCL, right? So listener must be running on database server side. Then your connection will be, uh, you can connect with your database, right? So 1521 is the port number of listener. See, so from HR user, we connected here. Now, similarly, we can connect using tnsnames.ora file, right? So for tnsnames.ora file, we have to configure tnsnames.ora entry. So in Oracle client home, network admin location, we have created tnsnames.ora file, you can see, and here is the entry, right? This is the entry of TNS. This is called TNS entry. We call it TNS entry, right? So now you can test SQL Plus username password at the rate Aura 19. See, from HR user, we are connected now. So in this way, you can connect with the Oracle client. Now we will see um, connect connection using SQL Developer, right? So I have already installed SQL Developer also here, right? So just start it. Yeah, it's open now. Now in left side, just see here connection tab and click on plus sign. So here we have to give connection related details. So give any name for name. Let's see HR connection and username HR, database username HR, password, hostname 192.168.1.201, port 1521, and SID is ORCL. Now test this connection first. Yes, success. And click on connect. So this connection is saved here in SQL Developer. So whenever next time you open the SQL Developer, you just click on this connection, right click and connect, right? It will ask you password and it will connect it. Now, so here we can see the SQL here. This is the tool where you can perform your SQL related commands. So like select star from tab and you can just run, see, right? So this way you can connect using SQL Developer. Now see how to connect with how to connect with sys user, right? So go to view, then click on DBA right here and click on plus sign. Here again click on plus sign. Now you have to give detail. So give any name, sys connection, right? Now username sys, password, and change role. Role should be as SDBA, right? Then hostname 192.168.1.201, port number 1521, ORCL. Test this connection. Yeah, success. Click on connect. Okay. See, so as a SysDBA, we connected, right? So this way you can connect with your database. So, so we have seen how to connect with SQL Plus using Oracle client and using SQL Developer, right? Thank you. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of my latest video. Thank you.